Caulking is essential for any home. It seals gaps and cracks. This protects your home from air leaks, water damage, and pests. A neat caulk line makes your home look finished and professional. But getting a smooth, consistent caulk line can be tricky. It takes practice and the right tools. Many people struggle with messy caulk. This can be frustrating. Don't worry, with the right tools and techniques, anyone can master caulking. You can achieve professional-looking results. We'll show you how. The Ultimate Silicone Applicator is a game-changer for caulking. This innovative tool helps you achieve perfect caulk lines every time. It features a comfortable grip and a specially designed nozzle. This nozzle helps to distribute caulk evenly. The Ultimate Silicone Applicator is easy to use. It makes caulking less messy. This tool is a must-have for any homeowner. It is also great for professionals who want perfect results. Before you begin caulking, gather all the necessary tools and materials. This preparation step is crucial for ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Having everything organized and within reach will save you time and frustration. Here's what you'll need for a successful caulking project. Caulk. Choose the right caulk for your project. Consider the location and materials. There are different types of caulk for different surfaces, so make sure to pick the appropriate one. Caulk gun. This helps you apply caulk smoothly and evenly. A good caulk gun can make a big difference in the quality of your work. Ultimate Silicone Applicator. This tool will help you create perfect caulk lines. It's especially useful for achieving a professional finish. Painter's tape. This helps you create clean lines and prevents caulk from spreading to unwanted areas. It's a simple but effective tool. Utility knife. Use this to cut the caulk tube nozzle. A precise cut will help you control the flow of caulk. Rags. Keep these handy for cleaning up any excess caulk. They are essential for maintaining a tidy workspace. Mineral spirits. This helps clean up excess caulk and can be used to clean your tools as well. It's a must-have for any caulking project. Having everything you need within reach will make your caulking project easier and more enjoyable. Proper preparation is the key to a successful and stress-free DIY experience. Proper preparation is key to a professional-looking caulk line. Start by cleaning the surfaces you'll be caulking. Use a damp cloth to remove dirt, debris, and old caulk. Allow the surfaces to dry completely before moving on. Next, apply painter's tape along the edges of where you'll be caulking. This will help you create clean, straight lines. Apply the tape carefully. Press it down firmly to prevent the caulk from bleeding underneath. Taking the time to properly prepare your surfaces will result in a much neater and more professional-looking caulk job. Section 5. Prepping your caulk tube. Now it's time to prepare your caulk tube. This step is crucial for ensuring a smooth and professional finish on your project. Use a utility knife to cut the nozzle at a 45-degree angle. This angle helps control the flow of the caulk, making it easier to apply. The size of the hole will determine the thickness of your caulk line. A larger hole will produce a thicker line, while a smaller hole will give you a finer line. Start with a small hole. This gives you more control and allows you to adjust as needed. You can always make it larger if needed. Remember, it's easier to enlarge the hole than to deal with too much caulk. Next, pierce the inner seal of the caulk tube. This step is essential to allow the caulk to flow freely. You can do this using a long, thin object like a wire or a nail. Make sure the seal is completely punctured to avoid any blockages. Once the seal is punctured, insert the caulk tube into the caulk gun. Ensure it's securely in place to prevent any leaks. Properly preparing your caulk tube ensures an even flow of caulk and helps you achieve a smooth and consistent caulk line. This preparation step is key to a successful caulking project. Section 6. Applying caulk like a pro. Hold the caulk gun at a 45-degree angle to the surface. Start applying the caulk in a smooth, continuous motion. Use even pressure on the caulk gun trigger to maintain a consistent bead. Avoid stopping and starting, as this can create bumps and gaps in the caulk line. Work in small sections. Apply a bead of caulk that is slightly longer than the section you are working on. Once you have applied the caulk, it's time to smooth it out. Section 7. Mastering the Ultimate Silicone Applicator. This is where the Ultimate Silicone Applicator comes in. This tool makes smoothing and finishing your caulk line a breeze. Choose the edge that best suits your desired caulk line shape. The Ultimate Silicone Applicator typically comes with various edges for different caulk line sizes. Lightly press the selected edge against the freshly applied caulk. Run the applicator along the caulk line in a smooth, continuous motion. This will create a perfectly smooth and even caulk line. The ultimate silicone applicator helps remove excess caulk. This creates a clean and professional finish. Section 8. The finishing touches. Once you're happy with your caulk line, it's time to remove the painter's tape. Carefully peel the tape away at a 45-degree angle. Do this while the caulk is still wet. This will help prevent the caulk from sticking to the tape. Next, use a damp rag to clean up any excess caulk. Mineral spirits can be used to remove stubborn caulk. Allow the caulk to cure completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 24 hours. These final steps ensure a clean and polished look for your caulking project. Section 9. Tips and tricks for caulking success. Whether you're sealing a window frame or caulking a bathtub, mastering the art of caulking can make a huge difference in your home improvement projects. Here are a few additional tips for successful caulking. Preparation is key. Make sure you have all the necessary tools ready before you start. Use a high-quality caulk that is appropriate for your project. There are different types of caulk for different surfaces, so choose wisely. Cut the caulk tube nozzle at a slight angle for better control. Don't overfill the gap, as this can lead to a messy finish. A little caulk goes a long way. Apply a small, consistent bead of caulk to ensure a neat and professional look. Practice on a piece of cardboard before tackling your project. This helps you get a feel for the caulk gun and the flow of the caulk. Avoid using your finger to smooth the caulk, as this can introduce moisture and bacteria. Instead, use a caulking tool for a smooth finish. Not cleaning the surfaces properly before caulking can lead to poor adhesion. Always clean and dry the area thoroughly. Using the wrong type of caulk for the job can result in a weak seal. Make sure to match the caulk to the specific needs of your project. Cutting the caulk tube nozzle too large can make it difficult to control the flow, leading to a messy application. Applying too much or too little caulk can affect the seal and appearance. Aim for a consistent bead for the best results. Not smoothing the caulk line immediately can cause it to dry unevenly. Always smooth the caulk right after application. By following these tips and avoiding common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to achieving professional-looking caulk lines. Happy caulking! Section 10. Achieving professional results. Caulking may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, anyone can achieve professional-looking results. The ultimate silicone applicator simplifies the process. It helps you create perfect caulk lines every time. Remember to take your time, follow the steps outlined in this guide, and don't be afraid to practice. Soon, you'll be caulking like a pro. With a little effort and the right tools, you can transform your home with neat, professional-looking caulk lines.